Okay, so you're not even going to believe this. I didn't even believe it, but you can get paid to watch YouTube videos. This is not a clickbait title. Well, it kind of is a clickbait title, but I'm gonna back it up and I'm gonna show you how you can get paid to watch YouTube videos. I'm gonna show you on my computer. Now, I came across this, I didn't even mean to come across this. I was just analyzing where some of my traffic was coming from, and I found this site. I was like, what is this site doing? And why is this site sending me so much traffic? And I found out the site pays people to watch videos. Let's go check it out and get into this video so we could start earning some of that sweet little money. Let's get it. Once again, this is not a clickbait title. I am not a marketer. Well, I am a marketer, and I'm gonna show you how to make money, real money, watching YouTube videos. Give a like for clickbait titles. Come on, guy, I need a like for clickbait titles. So let's check it out on my computer. Now, first off, let me walk you through the story. As you know, I'm a YouTuber and I'm always analyzing kind of like my traffic, and I'm looking at who's referring stuff to my videos. So I'll look at my analytics and I'll say, okay, who is actually recommending people to come to my videos? And I looked at this, okay, and I saw this right here. I'm looking at who's recommending my videos, and it says mybitcointube.com recommended 7% of people to my YouTube channel. I said, what the heck is this? You know, I don't know my BitcoinTube. I've never worked with them. I'm not secretly paying them money to send traffic to my site. I was just like, what's going on here? I went to my BitcoinTube, and it seems pretty interesting. Now, I don't use inorganic methods of growth. I do not recommend inorganic methods of growth. YouTube's algorithm is very good. But here we go. We see get more views on YouTube and drive growth instantly. Join us now, blah, 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 blah. So here is in the frequently asked question, what you'll see is you can join this site. I mean, to join, you just click log in, you just join it like that. And some companies pay for people to go to their YouTube videos, and other people are paid to watch the YouTube videos. And it says you can earn real Bitcoin from watching YouTube videos. And you'll see you may claim faucet videos. I don't understand all this, but basically you watch videos and you earn money from watching the videos. And you need to be watching ads on the videos. That's the most important thing. You need to be watching the ads on the videos, and they will pay you. See, it says minimum cash out is you can request $10 in Bitcoin, and it will be sent to your Bitcoin wallet. So folks, in order to make money from this method, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. And I will put down a link to my recommended Bitcoin wallet in the description of this video down below. So make sure to join that. I'll also put a link to BitcoinTube down below. But I'm gonna show you in just a second here who's earning money from BitcoinTube, and also, what are the best ways that I recommend to make money online? So let's check it out. So you can actually see here the people that are earning money from BitcoinTube. You'll see all the payment methods are Bitcoin, but you'll see all these different members, the CoinPot, Shomi, Nishitalk, Executive, Masi, Eva, Join. They're all getting paid, look, $14, $13, $10, $10, and they're all getting paid straight to their Bitcoin wallets. You have all their Bitcoin wallets listed here. And you'll notice that each time you get a payout, the network or BitcoinTube gets a $2 fee. That's how they make their money. They make their money every time you cash out. So really, it makes more sense for you to cash out with larger amounts, because you see this person here, name Namti, whatever, Ugia, got $100, and the $2 cash out fee was only 2% of $100, whereas if you cash out when you only have $10, that's 20%. So overall, you pay less money to BitcoinTube when you cash out at higher amounts. So, but people want their money quick, so it depends on how badly you need the money, I guess, when you cash out. But really interesting system here. I haven't signed up yet, but they have 93,000 users. They have 24,000 videos you can watch. And look at this amount. $487,000 has been paid out to users just for watching videos. Folks, that's amazing. Now guys, if you absolutely love that, if that is amazing, if you're gonna go check that out right away, type in I love it in the comments. And if you want me to show you more ways that you can earn Bitcoin, type in show me more ways in the comments below, because I want to know what your interest in this channel. In this channel, I mainly talk about affiliate marketing. I talk about ways you can work at home and earn money. I'm an affiliate marketer. I run an online business. Last year, my online business did $7 million. I have 0 employees. And, I just like traveling and hanging out with my family and, like whatever, like running, working out. I'm an average dude. I make a lot of money running a home-based business, and I show others how. I have a book on how you can start a home-based business, all the different ways. It's a workbook with a lot of resources, workbook questions to help hold you accountable. And also it goes over scams you can avoid. Now, if you check this out on page 36, I show 10 different ways that you can work from home. You can sell some of your old junk. You can do task-based jobs. I'll pay you up to $50 an hour. If you want that book, the link is in the description. But once again, give me feedback on this video. You want more ways to earn money with Bitcoin? Are you gonna actually take action and go try out this method? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do this method, feel free to come back to this video, interact with my community, and let us know how much you actually ended up earning. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out more videos every single day, day after day. We are going over ways that you can work from home and earn money on the internet on this channel. So check it out. Love to have you as a subscriber, help you make money on the internet, because the more money you make, the more money I make. Let's get it.